let me try to give you something to work on, because we upcoming artists, we have problems like financial problems, you see.
Okay.
So we have to buy a beat, you have to pay studio fees, you see. So that's when AndyGti, because you see you are talented, you can make it to the world. So let me support you here, you see. So ngicabanga ama artists lengisebenze nawo ngilawo, then kwaba producer lo produce cishe 90% wale tingoma, it's Milton B.
Okay.
Where Mega Sounds records. Then there's a Hamba song and Assambe produced by Rich Boy.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, and what are your plans with this album? What are you planning to do with this album? Are you planning to push it? Are you planning to do shows? You know, I'm sure you have a vision behind, you know, the work that you've put in.
Yes. So the title, the name behind it, like the title, Time Will Tell.
Yes.
Time Will Tell.
Okay.
So
okay.
It came about like ngabona ukuthi okay, this album, lo music lesengwenda manje awusafana lebengwenda ekuqaleni.
Yeah, there's a lot of growth, I can tell.
Yes, like ekuqaleni futhi I was doing more of a rap.
Okay.
Then now I'm doing strictly Afro pop.
Yeah, yeah.
So I knew ukuthi the album lena will take me to some places. You see, that's why I say time will tell. If time angathi ngathini, but nangabe isikhathi sesifikile, then I will go to those places.
Exactly.
Yeah, so time will tell. Ikanjalo nje.
Tell me about this thing that you have on your head. Kuthiwa yini igama lakho?
Umqhele.
Umqhele. Now, I just saw you flying into the reception and you had this thing and
angathi singachaza ngithini ngingenele kuba ngumZulu kakhulu ngasho kanjalo. Sometimes ngihle
asingathi umZulu asisi nje umuntu wemtsabo, because you look like a traditional kind of person.
Yes, but nakhona into lengingenele nyalo.
It's respectful though, kukunika sizotha.
Thank you. Yeah, so now ungacheka nala tinyaweni ngigqoka ama sandals. Ngiva ngathi sengicomplete with this thing, like the traditional things, yabo.
Yeah.
Yes, that's why ngithi mina angifake lokho.
Yeah.
Futhi representa futhi nasemaveni, because this is kuSwati lokho.
Yeah.
Nangithi mina I'm taking my music to the world. Angiphathe leSwati ngeke futhi etingomeni tami ungeva ukuthi siZulu kude, strictly siSwati. Nangithi mina I'm taking Swati music to the world, I mean siSwati.
Exactly.
Yes, nangifika le South Africa ngingafiki bese ngithi mina andazi, yabo.
Amazamazisi.
Angikhulume nje Swati, bangijabule ngale Swati sami, yabo.
All right, so there you have it, AndyGti